Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So in this video I'm going to tell you that Ready Player Me have just released their full body XR avatar in the beta. Maybe in some days we get their production ready, but they have provided their full body XR with the Meta Movement SDK. So it is really great news. So I'm going to share with you that what are the setup they have provided and what are the integration they have provided. So basically they have provided your fast tracking as well as eye tracking as well as full body integration. So let me show you and how you can set up your project and so that you can run the sample scene and you can check in your MetaQuest device or any VR device. So here you can see they are mentioning that what they have integrated. So they have integrated the eye tracking that will work on the MetaQuest Pro, and they have added the face tracking that will work on the MetaQuest, and full body will also work on the MetaQuest 3 and Pro. So let's start the today video. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel, and you can also check me out on my Patreon page. There are lots of things, samples you can grab on a very low price. So let's start the today video. So first of all, make sure that you have created one project, so that is for testing. And here you can say I have opened the documentation. So whenever you will go here, so you have to open this one, and this will open the main Meta Movement SDK. So here you can see what we are getting. So make sure that Unity version is higher than this, and Ready Player Me core. So first of all we have to install the core Ready Player Me. So what you have to do, just open new tab, and here we are getting Ready Player Me Unity SDK, and here you can see installation step can be found here. So if you are coming first time, so basically here you can see that they are also providing some guidelines, and the simplest guideline is just you have to copy this one, the link, and then you have to go in your Unity, and here we have in the window, here is a package manager. So just click on the package manager, and here is plus icon, so add package from git URL. So just you have to add this one, core, and then I am missing some link, so basically it should be git. So make sure link is correct, so add, and here we have the git, so just add. So it will install the Ready Player Me core package, and this is the first requirement you should have. So you have installed this one. So basically you have to mention your app ID, your subdomain to make it work properly. So okay, make sure that you have added those details. So currently we have installed this one, so it is fine. And let's get back here. Okay, so here you can see that we have installed this one, and this will be installed by default, so it is not necessary. And here we have to install Meta Movement SDK. So for Meta Movement SDK, make sure that you are on that page. Okay, so here we are. So basically last time I was trying to do the Meta Movement installation, but that was not working. So I just figure out that what is will be the best way. So make sure that you have installed Ready Player Me, and after that we were trying to install Meta Movement, that was showing lots of error. Just reason is because they are supporting, like Ready Player Me are supporting the older version of Meta Movement SDK, so that's why it was not getting installed, because previously Meta XR and Interaction SDK was getting used directly, but currently it is deprecated. So if you want to make your setup, so first of all make sure that you have installed Ready Player Me core, that's fine. And after that you have to install Ready Player Me Meta Movement Support SDK that you will get from Ready Player Me website. And after this you have to not install Meta Movement SDK, you have to install this one SDK. Maybe in the future whenever you are trying to do so, basically that start working directly, but currently it will not work until and unless you will install this one. So for installing this one, you have to go here, and here you can see it is deprecated, so currently it is older version. So you have to, means if you want to test, so you have to use this one, but maybe in the future they update, so maybe you have to just install this one and then Ready Player Me package and Ready Player Me core. But currently for now you have to set up, so you have to install like this. So make sure that you have installed this one, and if you have installed this one, so after that you have to install Meta Movement SDK. So basically you have to do same thing, you have to go here, git URL, and whenever you will add that thing, so your Meta Movement will come here, and otherwise it will not come here. So make sure that everything have been come, and from here you can just grab the sample, but it is not fully for the Meta Movement SDK, it is for Ready Player Me and Meta Movement SDK. So here they have provided two sample scene, so whenever you will go, that is the dynamic loader. So basically they are showing that how they are loading their avatars dynamically. Okay, so what we can do, anywhere you can create one material, and this is the new material, and just drag and drop, or you can just do render and lit. Okay, so now it is also fine. So same you can go on the prefab loader, so you can see that both scene are okay. Okay, so now what you have to do, make sure that everything here on the player setting, and here is our Meta XR, so make sure that everything is okay. If it is not okay, so just do the fix all, so do apply all. So now everything is looking great, and make sure that you have added this scene in the build setting. So currently you can see it is sample scene, so whenever you scene want to check, so at that time you have to do the add scene. So currently it is a prefab loader, so prefab loader is here, you can create the build and you can see the how your full body working with the RPM XR avatar. So basically it is XR avatar, little low poly count. So I have tested, you can see I have dropped that, I have created one build, and you can see my full body is working fine, and I have just instantiated. I wanted to test that how many players can we instantiate it, so that performance is not getting dropped. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day, see you in next video. If you want to ask anything, so just let me know in the comment box. So bye bye, take care, and you can also connect me on Discord or support me on my Patreon page. So bye bye, take care, see you in next video, bye bye, take care.